Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button to become a socialite. So today is going to be my Sephora sale wish list. Now, y'all know we've been going crazy about this sale, trying to prepare for the sale, edit our carts, and figure out what exactly do we need, what exactly do we want. Hopefully you guys can draw some inspiration from this. I might edit it a little bit, but for the most part, these are the items that I'm really thinking about getting. Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So let's just jump right into it. First up is a fragrance. It's the Kayali Oudgasm Vanilla Oud 36. This fragrance is supposed to be a vanilla forward fragrance with a touch of oud. Now, I'm not really an oud girly. I know that's a super spicy fragrance note that tends to be really strong and heavy, super distinct. I'm not just a huge fan of it, but this fragrance, I've heard so many amazing things about it. I heard that the oud is like in the background and it's just a gorgeous fragrance. So I'm super excited to try it out. I hadn't seen it in store yet, so this would be a blind buy. And because of that, I'm going to get the small travel size. It's the 10 ml and it retails for $38. Next up is the LYS Blush Trio. Now they are minis, but you get to try 3 different shades, and I'm not mad at minis. I actually like minis and sets because something like a blush, to be honest, it takes me years to go through one blush. I never use one blush up in a year or even 2. So I don't mind getting the minis because I get to try the 3 different colors. It looks to have like a bold berry color, looks like a peachy color, and then almost like a flesh tone type color, like in the brown family. So I'm excited to try it. I like sets. And next is the Fenty Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. Now, one of the socialites left a comment saying that she doesn't buy gloss. She stopped wearing gloss or something like that, and she only wears lip oils now, and she's obsessed. And when she said that, I got to thinking, you know what? I don't even own, I've never bought a lip oil before. And that just got wheels to turning in my head. I'm like, why have I never bought a lip oil? I'm just a gloss girly, and I don't know. I just never really thought about buying a lip oil. But since she left that comment, I started buying like the drugstore lip oils. But yeah, she recommended the Fenty and I think the Dior. So I at least wanted to try one of the Fenty. So I put that on the list. And then next, y'all, I've been talking about this nonstop, is Kayali's Vanilla 28. And this is a vanilla forward fragrance that has touches of spice, just a little bit, touches of a woodsy scent in there, just a little bit, but it's pretty much a vanillic scent, and it dries to a sugary sweet smell that I love. I wear it with other fragrances and I wear it to bed at night. Since I got it, I've been wearing it pretty much every night to bed. Really pretty fragrance, you guys. So I have the travel size. I'm about halfway done with that. So I'm thinking about getting the full size. Then I have the Laura Mercier Mini Translucent Setting Spray 16 hour. I hadn't heard anybody mention this before, but I was in Sephora a couple months ago and I saw it, but they didn't have it in stock. And so I looked it up online. Y'all, comment down below if you've tried this setting spray before. Next is the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Cream. Y'all, this is the best contour cream in Sephora, period. And mine is completely empty, scraped every nook and cranny out of it. So I'm going to re-up on that in the shade 2 medium. Next is another product that I've told you guys about several times. It's a skincare product. This is the Sunday Riley Vitamin C Brightening Serum. It just makes your skin look so bright and healthy and radiant and plump. It's just a really good serum. It's actually my #1 favorite serum, period. Next is the Sephora Favorites Perfume Sampler Set. Now this comes with 16 different scents in it. This one has Burberry Her Elixir, Carolina Herrera Good Girl, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, Gucci Flora Gorgeous Jasmine, Juliet Has a Gun Lust for Sun, Replica by the Fireplace, Daisy Ever So Fresh, Nest New York Golden Nectar, Fleur Missing Person, Prada Paradox, Vanilla Woods, Tom Ford Ombre Leather, Valentino Born in Roma, Versace Bright Crystal, Flower Bomb, and then Black Opium Le Parfum. So I was also thinking about getting Black Opium Le Parfum, which is like $110, but this set you get it for $85, and then the discount I'll end up paying $67. So I'm thinking about getting getting this sampler set instead of the vanilla 28 because they're both vanilla scents. I'm thinking about it. It just makes more sense to me. But that vanilla 28 just has that beautiful sweet dry down. So, but with this set, the coupon you get in there to redeem for the full size, I would either get Black Opium Le Parfum or probably Burberry Her Elixir. Next is Lancome Care and Glow Serum Concealer. Now, Lancome Care and Glow foundation is one of my favorite foundations. Looks so pretty and makes your skin look so plushy and plump and radiant and youthful. I highly recommend that foundation for my ladies over 40. It's a game changer, y'all. Love it. So they have the concealer, which has a really light coverage. I tested it out in store and it was sort of sheer, but because of the ingredients in it and the plumping technology that they put in it, I'm just so curious to try it on my face, you guys. So I think that's going to be one that I pick up for sure. Next is the Fenty Parfum Body Cream. Y'all, I've been wanting to try this out, but I knew I was going to wait till the sale. This body cream is $85, so the sale would be the time to pick it up. In the reviews, I heard that it smells like the fragrance, which the fragrance is a very unique, eclectic, not for everybody. It's different. With that fragrance, that's one of them. When you smell it in the bottle, you may be a bit confused. That's how I was. And then when I tested it on my skin, I literally fell in love. Mister even likes it. The body cream is supposed to smell like that, but much softer. So I'm super intrigued by this. One of the socialites does, I think she has a review. I don't know if she has a review, but I'm going to look on her channel. If she has a review up of it, I'll put it in the description box. But one of the socialites got it and she said it's good. So comment down below. Let me know if you've tried the new Fenty Parfum Body Cream. Then I have the Dior Lip Glow Oil in Cherry. Like I said, one of the socialites put me up on the lip oils and said I need to try the Fenty and the Dior. So I put the color Cherry on there, but I recently found out that in the Dior lip oils, they have the matching oils to the blushes, and I have the pink blush. So because of that, I may switch the color from Cherry to the pink to match the Dior blush that I have. Next is another fragrance kit. Now this fragrance kit comes with Rosie Jane Parfum Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar Commodity Gold, the bold one, which I don't like the bold one, y'all. I tried the bold one when it came out and it was just way too much for me. Ellis Brooklyn Salt, Maison Louis Marie number 13, Fleur Somebody Wood, Skylar Peach Fields. Peach Fields, you guys, that gives me the vibes of Fame from Paco Rabanne, that sort of fruity, upbeat, fun, bright spring, summer. I really like that one. Seven Virtues Coconut Sun, and then it has Life of the Party Parfum by Five Sins. With this one, I would probably redeem the coupon for Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar or either Peach Fields. Next is Ellis Brooklyn Apple Love. Now, I've heard nothing but great things about this one. It's supposed to be just like a fruity, fun, spring, summer type scent, which I love those type of scents. It will be a blind buy because I've never smelled it before. I don't even really know if it's in stores yet, so I might try to get to a store before the sale or see if I can kind of sample it first or see if I can go smell it first. But from the way I've been hearing people describe it, this would be something that I like. I also have a Kaja Eye Bento Bouncy Eyeshadow Trio. Now, I've never bought anything from Kaja before, but just this color story of this little eyeshadow bento box little stacker, the shades look so super pretty. It has a chocolatey brown, looks like a shimmery champagne-y pink, and then like a just straight up glittery type shade. It's the picture that got me, y'all, in the packaging. So comment down below if you've ever tried anything from Kaja and if you've tried any of the Eye Bento Bouncy eyeshadows. And when it says bouncy eyeshadow, that's making me think it's one of those plushy, creamier shadows that shows up really pigmented. That's just my thoughts. I haven't heard any reviews, haven't seen anybody use it, but that's just my thoughts from the bouncy eyeshadow, you know, just from the name. So I'm super intrigued by it. And then I had the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel, y'all. I had like a little less than half left, but I'm gonna take this one off the list because I just got 2 of them. And then Patrick Ta has a brow lamination gel, y'all. I'm obsessed with brow lamination gels. I've been on the hunt for the best one, the most perfect one, and I found a couple that I really love. If I was to recommend one in Sephora, I would recommend the Refi one. It's pretty good. It's the one that I use today. It just really helps your hairs to just, when you comb it through your brows just stay. So it's a really good product. So Patrick Ta has one, never tried it before, and this is actually the mini for $15. So, you know, try it out before I commit to a full size. If anyone's used it before, comment down below, let me know what you think about it and how does it compare to the Refi one. And then I put the Sephora number 18 brush. It's just a small dome shaped brush. That one didn't come in the Sephora brush set that I told you guys about, the Pro brush set with 8 brushes, but it looks like a really good brush. I love the shape of the dome. Typically pencil shaped brushes are a lot skinnier than this, so I like the look of this because I feel like I can get more detail work in the crease with that size. Looks up my alley, so I want to try it out. Then I put the Charlotte Tilbury Jumbo Airbrush Flawless Finish Spray on there. It's $51, so with the 20% off I'll have a savings, but it's already a savings buying the big 200 ml because 100 ml is $38. So if you were to get 2 of those, you would pay what, $70 some? So yeah, it's a no-brainer to get it for $51 and then the discount. So I put that on the list. That one and then LYS are like my favorite right now. And the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner, I have about a third left in the bottle and it's really been doing an amazing job at lightening my dark spots. So I want to get a backup of that. And then the Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. Now that's Dolce's new fragrance. I put a travel size on here, but I'm actually going to take it off the list because I went to smell it. Now wait, let me back it up. First, I heard Platinum D talking about it. I don't know if y'all follow Platinum D, but I heard her talking about it and she said it smells like Fruity Pebbles. Like, but in the best way. And so I went to smell it and it smells like Fruity Pebbles so much that it's a no for me. Like I don't, even though it's sweet and pretty and girly, I just don't want to smell like Fruity Pebbles all day. Although it's a really pretty fragrance. So that's it. I do want to try out some more Sephora brand eyeshadows, like the single shadows, but I want to go into the store and sort of swatch them. So I'll share those with you when I get into the store just to show you guys which ones are the most pigmented because they're not all made equally from that brand. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited for the sale. Hopefully you guys are too. Comment down below 2 products that you're most excited to get from the sale. Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come back, join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.